Hi children, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In our last class, we discussed the various factors that affect the climate. Okay, they are also known as climatic controls. What are the various factors that affect the climate? We have four factors, and the first one is latitude. The one of the most important factor that affects the climate is latitude, which is also known as distance from equator. It is also known as distance from equator. Now, distance from equator. The first factor that affects the climate is latitude or distance from the equator. So, temperature. I already told you in our last session. Temperature varies from one place to another place. Okay, because of the various relief features. Now, for the sake of temperature, we can divide the earth into three zones. Okay, first one is tropical zone, tropical, temperate, polar. Okay, if you can classify the earth into three zones: tropical zone, temperate zone and polar zone. What is tropical zone? The zone very close to equator is the tropical zone, and polar region, the region which is at the poles, the zone located at the poles, near the poles, is the polar zone. And where does this temperate zone lie? The zone between these two extremes, that is the tropical zone, and between polar zone we have another zone that is known as temperate zone. So for the sake of temperature, you can classify into three parts, that is tropical zone, temperate zone, polar zone. Okay, the zone which is located close to equator is the tropical zone, and which is at the poles, the zone which is located at the poles is the polar zones. And between tropical zone and between polar zone, the extreme, between these two extremes, we have temperate zone. So if we see the location of India, roughly India is located between 8 degrees 37 degrees north latitude. Okay, roughly if we take it, India is located between 8 degrees 37 degrees north latitude. So if you take India, the southern part of India almost lies in the tropical zone, very close to equator. And as we discussed, at the equator the temperature is very high. Low latitudes have high temperatures, and as we move away from equator, temperature reduces. See, as we move away from equator, if we go towards poles, automatically temperature is very cool. Temperature decreases and the weather will be very cool. So at higher latitudes you have low temperatures, and at lower latitudes you have higher temperature. So if we see India, almost the southern part of India is in the tropical zone. Okay, the north part of tropical Cancer, that is the temperate zone. Okay, the north part of India, the northern India is in the temperate zone, and southern part is in the tropical zone. The area north to Tropic of Cancer is the tropical zone, and the area south to the Tropic of Cancer is the tropical zone, and the area north to Tropic of Cancer is the temperate zone. So northern India is located in temperate zone. Northern India is located in temperate zone. That means it is far away from equator when compared to southern India. And southern India is in the tropical zone. Tropical zone, it means it is close to equator. As the sun rays fall directly on equator, the area that is close to equator also receives maximum amount of sun rays, and that is why the climate and the weather will be very hot. As you can see here in the diagram, see, in the tropical zone we are having south part of India. The south part of India almost lies in the tropical zone, whereas the northern India lies in the temperate zone. So the north region, being far away from equator, is cooler when compared with the southern India. If you take the example of the climate in Bhopal or Delhi, and if you compare the same climate with Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari's climate will be almost different, because it is very close, it is in the southern part, very close to coastal area. Okay, and it is being in the tropical zone, is very hot when you compare it with northern India. So one of the most important factor that affect the climate is latitude or distance from equator. The area that is very close or the places that are close to equator will definitely receive high temperature and will be hot, and as we move away from equator towards pole it will be cool. So that is why we are having two differences, that is northern India being cooler and southern India being hotter. Reason is that southern part is located in the tropical zone, northern part is located in the temperate zone. And we will be discussing about another factor affecting the climate, that is land water relationship, in our next session. Thank you.